Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view your Telegram contacts. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and manage your contacts within the Telegram app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device by tapping on its icon. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Look for the 3 horizontal lines arranged vertically, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them to open the main menu. Step 3. Tap on Contacts. Within the main menu, locate and tap on the Contacts option. This will take you to your Telegram contacts list. If you haven't allowed Telegram to access your contacts, it may prompt you to do so at this stage. Grant permission to ensure that you can view the numbers that use Telegram. Once you tap on Contacts, you'll be able to see a list of contacts who are using Telegram. This includes your friends, family, and other connections. By accessing your Telegram contacts, you can easily initiate conversations, share media, and stay connected with people in your network. Telegram allows you to add and manage your contacts seamlessly within the app, making it a convenient platform for communication with your contacts. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to view your Telegram contacts. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Now you can easily access and manage your contacts within Telegram